The MacBook Pro has made more millionaires than anything before in this world, and here's why.
Beat me up, Scotty.
You can't ask folks about who they bun, are you silly? Don't be dumb. Two my guys hit two with one, that's 4 pagans or 2 rusty guns. I hit up his nans, bro, hit up his mums. Cross that bridge with 7, tapped it, then I come back with 1. Spin that dinger, you know I'm a hitter, I'm aiming for lungs or liver. 15, that was me on my chinger, indecisive, I done him and his nigger. Tryna spill my juice like bigger, rev the moped, I'm controlling the spinner. Give me the drop, I'll deliver. I'm a snake sliver in the ringer, we done pulled them triggers. Nowadays I get pulled for pictures, just the other day I was giving out pictures. I see my man crying in stitches, why? He got crossed with the hit list. Yo T, why you listening? They know that my thing's different. I was 15 just itching, I put 2 man on 1 pound like kitchen. No case running away, it's dripping, I saw me a drain and ditched it. For the pesos.
Recently, Apple raised their prices for all their Macs and other products across the line. The only thing that didn't get raised was the iPhones, but that's coming soon. But the MacBook Pro is one of those computers that a lot of people think they don't need for real powerhouse users, for people who are productive entrepreneurs, billionaires, millionaires, tech owners, tech workers, company people, engineers. They gravitate towards the MacBook Pro. Now with the new M5 chips, it makes it really hard to pick up one of these MacBook Pros. And that's because if you have a MacBook Air M5 or even a lower tier or M3 or older MacBook, they are so great. The power is so great that there's literally no need to be grabbing a MacBook every single year. A lot of people are saying like, why did I just buy a MacBook when there's going to be a new one coming out in September? Listen, the prices have raised. Like this MacBook, I paid what, $1,700 for this computer, and the same exact computer is worth $2,200 today plus tax. And it is so powerful that regardless of what gets released in September at the Apple launch, like it's not going to be too much further from the power for my needs in this computer. So you're probably wondering why a Mac, because you've heard me spoken about MacBooks before, and I've literally said that I'm an engineer and so I'm a Windows and Lenovo type of guy. Why choose a Mac now? And the honest reason is because of this right here. This is what you're watching. YouTube content. Listen, I'm a part-time tech creator, so I edit a lot of videos and a lot of business and a lot of entrepreneurship stuff on the go. And to me, the MacBook Pro has literally made me more productive than ever. Now, if I compare my Windows laptops to my Mac computers, they literally don't compare because Windows, the battery lasts for like an hour and a half. Different after a year or so, they start slowing down. It gets ridiculous. But I'm not saying this to be biased or an Apple fanboy or anything of the sort. It's just that you just don't want to put this computer down. You don't want to stop working on what you're doing. It's super quiet. The fans, it has a single fan in this one. There's not a bunch of noise, and it just gets work done. So let's talk about specs, because every time I buy a Mac and a MacBook Pro, I have to make sure I future-proof it. What does that mean? I bump it up a little bit from the base model. So in this computer, I have 24 gigs of RAM and a terabyte SSD. A terabyte so I can hold a lot of my videos, and 24 gigs of RAM because that's literally just a sweet spot where you can run a bunch of programs, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, CapCut, all of these things, and it still just flows smoothly without having any issues. And so I bumped it up. So this thing and me are probably gonna be rocking for the next 5 years until Apple releases their touchscreen Mac. So that's gonna be something to behold. So this computer has been so mind-blowing, I even made a list to talk about my 5 favorite things about the M5 MacBook Pro. First on the list, we're gonna talk about the faster SSD for content work. Like this SSD is so fast. Like I'm not sure where Apple sourcing their SSDs from, but it's literally 2 times faster than any other Macs I've used, and it just saves really fast. It loads videos really fast. It's just quick. It's just better than any Windows computer that I've personally used. Number 2 was the real-time editing factors. Editing on this computer without it plugged in on my lap, it handles 8K 30 frames video that I pulled from the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and it just handles it all. I could throw any animations, any videos, it just handles it. Now I'm not the greatest video editor in the world, but everything after that is so fast. Even AI editing, it just handles it. It does it, and it exports super fast. Number 3, let's talk about this display. So we have an XDR liquid retina display, and it's just beautiful. Like, I know everyone says that they want the OLED, but honestly, it's just clean, it's sharp. Apple just knows how to do their displays. Like, I don't know, I need to get that big XDR display that they have. Can't remember what it's called right now. But yeah, those ones that they have for $5,000 and has like 6K resolution, those ones. Yeah, because Apple just do their resolutions great. The color is great, so I can color grade on it, and it's just pretty much just premium displays. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know a Windows computer with this great quality. But I'm pretty sure you have some 4K OLEDs out there that could probably beat it. But that's neither here or now. Another big thing is going to be connectivity. So on this computer, you have a SD card holder, USB, Thunderbolt, some more Thunderbolts on the side, plus the charger and the end, which is like Maxi, which I'm super glad they brought back. So if you need ports, it's not going to be a problem to plug in, to charge, to connect multiple monitors. Yeah, it's just, I mean, this one has a Thunderbolt 4, but it's been fast. There's not many products out there that can use Thunderbolt 5 right now, so it is what it is, and it works exactly for what you may need. My last favorite thing about this is that this computer is worth every penny. Now, a lot of people are debating upgrading their computer, but once Apple left Intel and did their Apple Silicon, like, it's been ultimate. Like, the M chips have just been great for the price and the years you're gonna get out of this thing. Like, the aluminum chassis too is solid. The midnight black isn't too bad. People complain about fingerprints, but it hasn't been that bad, honestly. I mean, you can get the silver one if you do have a problem with that. The weight, I'm gonna put this laptop through the ringer. Now let's talk about how this laptop is gonna make you a millionaire. The thing that makes millionaires is productivity, getting work done, focus. Now, with iOS and the way this computer has been built, it forces you and it encourages you to literally lock in, to focus, to get work done. The productivity stuff, your calendar, everything, the Apple ecosystem will just make you lock in, do what is right, get work done, and produce. I mean, my personal experience from rocking this computer for the past 2 weeks has literally been amazing. I've gotten so much more work done, been able to build my brand even more, been able to edit videos, color grade, create content, and just flow on the go at home, wherever I am at. It just makes sense. So you're probably wondering, how is the battery life in this thing? I don't know, man. The battery, it just lasts. I don't think it's even died on me since I've had it. Like, I charge it up, I use it, and then I charge it before I go to sleep. And literally, like, Apple claims that you get 24 hours of battery life. I think I've gotten more than 24 hours, but it depends on how heavily you use it. The battery life is actually outstanding. Now, usually laptop cameras are usually trash, but with 12 megapixels, stage center in it, it's flawless. I mean, it looks good. It's not a 4K camera. Get a 4K webcam if you need any better quality on your computer. It's good enough for meetings, calls, chatting with family, and work meetings, honestly. I don't want to make a whole yapping and fluffing videos. This thing has been out for like 8 months. You already know everything about it. You're just trying to decide if you're trying to get this computer or not. If you want a productive computer that's going to make you work, get work done, handle everything you throw at it, stop debating, stop being cheap, go and grab it. I mean, the price already raised when you want them. You're going to wait for another price hike? Go ahead, grab the MacBook M5 and get ready to start your creative or entrepreneurship journey or whatever it is that you do. Now, the link's going to be down below for a great link for some great products and apps. And if you want the same color that's on this video, go to KroyAli.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.